Welcome back guys to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis. Today is our first coin of the week. We are going to be talking about AMP. May I also remind you we have an Instagram account now and also a TikTok account. Those links will be in the description, so please go and follow those. Please note this is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Thank you very much.
Real Crypto Space, and I'm your co-host Hamza, and we're going to be giving you a brief introduction today on the coin of the week, which we've chose as AMP.
So if you look at the market cap here, it's only 170 million, which is actually really small. It may sound like a big number, and if you look at the total supply, it's about 90 billion tokens. And then if we go look for another coin that also has a similar total supply, VeChain is one of those. That has about 80 billion total supply as well. So it has about 90 billion, as you can see, about 86 billion. If you look at the price, it is only 5.5 pence, and AMP is only 1.7 pence. And the difference between that is about 3x. But I personally believe AMP can do a lot more, and here's why. There is only about 10% in supply right now, meaning there will be a lot of dilution, which means the price will go down. Once all the coins are in supply, it becomes more scarce, which means it could be huge. I believe it could go to 10 pence. Here is why. In the past 4 months, it has gone up 2,876%, and God knows what the market cap or the supply was back then. If it went to 10 pence, that would then be a 5.88x on your money. So let's say you put in £1,000 today. Let's say you put in £1,000 today, you would get 42,130 shares. That £1,000 would now be £5,888, £4,800 profit. And I believe it could do a lot more than just go to 10p. If it went to 10 pence, the market cap would only be 1 billion. I know I'm saying only, that's still a very small amount for what this coin does. It can do a lot more.
I'll give you a brief description of the coin, and this is the first new digital collateral token, and it offers instant verifiable collateralization for any kind of value transfer. Projects like Flexer use AMP to secure transactions and build networks that acquire value both securely and transparently. It is built for long-term growth. The reason for this is it is built on the Ethereum network ERC20 standard for tokens. AMP can be bought and sold for fiat currencies or any other digital currencies, making it more able to buy it through GBP or any other cryptocurrency that you may have. And as Ethereum network grows, which we will be seeing in July, we will be seeing this coin have a similar growth towards Ethereum and potentially have a better growth. So AMP offers joint AMA and whitelist. This means that Moonswap and AMP tokens can be staked and earn AMP on a site called banker.network, which has perfect protection for holders against hackers. Also whitelisted by Banker DAO, which means that you can earn AMP tokens for just storing it and for you letting it staked for a year, and you'll get APY on that.
You can also learn web development with AMP, so you have the beginners course, you have the intermediates course, and you have the advanced course. So obviously you start with the beginner course and end up with the advanced course. And if you go onto here, you can get more information about each course. So you get your course introduction, our first AMP page, thinking in components, finding the right component, conclusion, and what's next. And then you have the appendix. So you have the intermediate course, and then you have the advanced course. That's very new, really. Not many coins are doing this.
The roadmap for AMP that has already been done was the infrastructure upgrade, the monetization upgrade, and the performance upgrade, and also a bento upgrade that happened in December the 7th, 2020. And the last one that happened was a user interface and accessibility upgrade, which all of these have been accomplished. And as of now, we are still yet to experience the Q1 2021, as we are still in early stages to this project, and there's big potential to this. Soon be seeing user interface and accessibility, allowing for more supply to be able to be staked. There's also a performance upgrade that happened on March the 1st, 2021, and this can also be seen in the charts as a big spike up happened as soon as this happened. There's a big potential for Q1, and we are still in the early stages of this coin.
So the co-founder is Tyler Spalding. Also AMP used to be called Flexer. It's now been changed to AMP. He went to the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, been involved in cryptocurrency since 2011, so he is an OG, so he has more than 20 years of technology experience. He is an author to more than 50 technology patents, also an aerospace engineering faculty member at 2 universities, also working with NASA as well. As you can see, his specialties are cryptocurrencies, blockchain, payments, anti-fraud systems, smart contacts, mobile product development, retail recommendation systems, and scotch and whiskey. So as you can see, he's quite a reputable person, and yeah, I don't think he'll be doing anything dodgy anytime soon.
Ever. The places where you can buy AMP is Gemini and also Uniswap, which I highly recommend if you haven't got a Gemini account. But if you do have a Gemini account, you can buy it on Gemini, which is easy to set up and will allow you to buy cryptocurrencies as soon as you make the account. However, if you want to stay more decentralized, I would recommend you getting Uniswap and using a MetaMask wallet in order to buy AMP and store it there. Alright, Louis, do you think this could be a top 50 coins in the Coinmarketcap?
Yeah, I do. I believe it could be in the top 50, to be honest, due to the total supply and the market cap. It just got so much potential, I believe. So yeah.
The current rank of this coin is 239, and I can see it being top 100 for sure because of its foundation and uniqueness. Overall rating I would say for this coin is a 7, even though there are many coins out there, for example Aave and Uniswap, that give us more essential things in cryptocurrency, and this is just an addition to it. However, this is why I've given it a 7 compared to an 8 or a 9 on Uniswap.
This is our first episode for Coin of the Week. I hope you've enjoyed it and learned some things about AMP. Once again, this is not financial advice, so I highly advise you do your own research before you fill your bag of AMP. Instagram and TikTok are in the description as well, so please make sure you go and follow those. Subscribe if you've enjoyed and leave a like. Thank you very much.